Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Dewalt Miter Saws you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Dewalt Miter Saws and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Dewalt Miter Saws, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what to consider when buying a Dewalt Miter Saw. First, think about the type of cuts you'll make most often, as Dewalt offers models from basic single bevel to advanced sliding compound saws for wider boards. Next, check the motor power and blade size. Stronger motors and larger blades handle thicker materials more efficiently. Pay attention to accuracy features like laser guides, adjustable fences, and smooth bevel adjustments, which can make your cuts cleaner and more precise. Portability is also key if you move between job sites, so consider the saw's weight and handle design. Finally, look at dust collection and safety features, as these keep your workspace clean and safe. Choosing the right combination of power, precision, and convenience ensures great performance for any project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tool tips.